Today, I am deconstructing a directory published in 1984. This book is heavy and size is also smaller than a normal A4 book. Weight of book is 1.2 kgs including the cover, glue and pages. Book is 11 by 8 inches and the thickness is 1.5 inches. This book is nearly 40 years old. The main components of the book are paper, hard sheet and glue. The main cover is much thicker than the pages inside. The cover of book is made using coated cover stock, a shiny laminated sheet mainly used as book covers. On the front cover, the logo, name of company and publisher is printed. Hindi is used for text on the front cover. There are some notes and phone numbers written on the front cover by the user, as front cover was sometimes used as a place to write while being on telephone call. The color gradient used is shades of blue. The back side is not in good condition. Water has destroyed some parts of the book because it is possible that the user might have placed this book on a table where water was spilled, as we have to keep the book somewhere while calling because book is very heavy. Water and regular use have caused scratching and chipping of both front and back covers of the book. The spine of book has all the pages intact. The binding used in this book is perfect bind. The perfect bind is mostly used for soft cover books and magazines. Pages are made from recyclable paper. The leaflets are approximately 30 GSM. There are more than 700 pages in the book. Page numbers of the book are written in Hindi language. Name of persons are in Hindi text, but the telephone numbers are in English. The main cover is much thicker than the pages inside. This book was used daily, that's why some pages from corners have chipped. If you see, there are some red patches on the book. These are caused due to an age-related process of deterioration called foxing. Pages also turned yellow after decades. I guess that the pages are joined together using hot melted binding adhesive, as this was used in most books in 1980s. It is heated at 85 degrees and then a layer is placed between the cover and pages to bind. This glue is now replaced by PVA glue or polymer glue. If we see the glue in the spine, it is dark yellow in color and hot glue gets hard after cooling.